Tired of those stubborn dark circles under your eyes? Today, we explore a remedy that transforms your look and lifts your spirits. Welcome to your step-by-step guide to banishing dark circles. In the next few minutes, we will uncover the causes and a practical resolution that works for young skin in Bangladesh, India, and beyond. Dark circles can feel like a personal enemy. They remind you of lost sleep and endless stress, but they are not unchangeable. Our story begins by understanding the culprits. Genetics, dehydration, and simple fatigue are at the heart of this common concern. Many factors come together: aging that thins the delicate skin, lack of sleep that makes blood vessels more visible, and even allergies that enlarge these vessels. Such factors combine to create shadows that seem insurmountable. Look closely at your reflection. Think about the nights you stayed up working or studying. Consider moments when allergies left your skin swollen and tired. Understand that dark circles are more than a cosmetic inconvenience. They reflect an imbalance in how your body cares for itself. The truth is simple. Proper care and a few smart adjustments can make a dramatic difference. Short sentences, big results. Now let us shift to hope. Imagine bright eyes, free of the shadows that once haunted you. The solution is as straightforward as it is effective. Start by addressing the small details. A cold compress, even for a minute, can sharply reduce the appearance of dark circles by calming dilated blood vessels. This initial step is crucial. It reduces puffiness and signals to your skin that it should begin its healing process. Next, consider the power of hydration and rest. It is easy to neglect these basics in our busy lives, yet they are the foundation of healthy skin. Drinking enough water and getting adequate sleep rejuvenate the skin under your eyes and reduce the visibility of blood vessels. A simple routine of 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, coupled with proper water intake, makes a visible impact. Simple actions yield powerful results. We move on to an even more effective remedy. Eye creams enriched with vitamin C offer an exceptional way to combat dark circles. These creams work by brightening the under-eye area and boosting collagen synthesis. The vitamin C in such products helps inhibit melanin production, lightening pigmentation and strengthening the skin. Imagine a tool that not only masks the dark circles, but actively reverses the process that caused them. This is your turning point. Follow these steps and feel empowered. Start with a cold compress each morning. Next, embrace a healthy sleep routine and keep well hydrated. Finally, gently massage an eye cream rich in vitamin C around your eyes. With every application, you nourish your skin and brighten your appearance. By adopting this routine, you break the cycle of fatigue and allow your skin to regain its natural radiance. As you watch each demonstration in this video, let the visuals guide your actions. See the gentle application of the compress, the careful timing of rest, and the delicate massage of the cream. Every move is a step closer to a revitalized look and renewed confidence. The remedy is both science and art, a blend of daily habits and targeted skincare. Achieve it one small step at a time. Your journey to clearer, brighter eyes is within reach. Each time you apply these remedies, you invest in a future free from the shadows. Allow yourself to believe that transformation begins with self-care. This simple, effective routine brings more than clearer eyes. It also brings back the sparkle of self-assurance. As we conclude, remember, effective skincare is more than a ritual. It's self-respect. Each step you take today is a testament to your commitment to both health and beauty. Embrace these strategies with passion and consistency. You now hold the key to enhancing your natural glow and confidence. Try these simple steps today to reduce dark circles and rejuvenate your appearance.